Welcome guys, today I will show you how to use AI writing assistant on POCO F8 Ultra. So, at the very beginning, open the Settings app, go to the Xiaomi Hyper AI chapter, here choose AI App Boost part. Then go to the AI writing. Here you can read basic information about this tool and how to use it properly. So, to try this feature, open the Notes app on your device. You can find it in the Wall Apps list. Then, I will show you how it works. For example, I have here the text, which not grammarly correct. So I need to improve it, I need to fix it. So I will use this icon, a little one, tap on it simply, and then you can choose some options. You can summary using this tool, proofreading, or extension your notes. Also you can choose the mode. Your AI will be in general tone, in professional, in simple, or in friendly. So I need in professional tone, so I pick it. And how you see, AI writing tool fix my text. Now it's grammarly correct and looks perfect. If this video was helpful, like it, leave some comment below, and thank you for watching. Goodbye.